I was just like, oh my god. I was like, well, maybe it's for pigments.
It took us like 20 minutes, and Brooke was saying that we're picking, so Sam, you finished super quickly. And then I realized I didn't answer like half.
First we get ready, obviously we're putting on our clothes, and secondly we go out, we warm up, we do some batting, some catching, and throwing drills, run around the field, and then after that we come together and we pray and go out there.
Stop playing footsie, people!
I think watching sometimes with whether it's girls or boys, it doesn't matter, but when they get a concept and you explain, and sometimes they go blindly, but then when they get it and they see what you've been trying to teach and coach, and you see it come to fruition and to the possibility that makes their lives easier on the field, makes it better, makes them win, makes them more competitive, then you feel better about, you enjoy coaching a lot more with respect to it. So.